Hello and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today it is Sunday driving. No destination in mind today. We're just going to go out and take a look at the scenery and see what the scenery looks like. We've got Josh over there in the co-pilot seat. All right, so let's go Sunday driving. Bright sunny day. Went over the Snake River into town. Looks like the city still needs to plow the main drag here. A lot of snow on the curb. It's cool, Joshy. So today we have no destination in mind. We're just going to take a little cruise. We're going to head over towards the river and come back around. Just get an idea what it looks like here with all the snow. Not really going that way. We'll go by that way sometime. Minnesota, so you got to watch the potholes. Snow off the side of the bridge. Called the radio station road because right to the right there is the radio station. bridge right here. This used to be an old wooden bridge, and a couple of years ago it got hit by a log. It broke part of it, so they had to close it, built that bridge, and then they also built this bridge shortly thereafter. Have you been on this road before, Josh? Let me know when you know where you are. Let me know when you know where you are. You tell me when you recognize it. Well, we're still in the freezer here in Minnesota. I really want to get into the bees and make sure that they're not starving to death, but I don't want to open them up when it's so cold. So it's kind of a wait till it gets a little bit warmer deal. Last week it was supposed to get near the 30s and I was going to do it then, but it never did. We're looking at March 11th before it's supposed to be into the upper 20s for any amount of time. So hopefully they can last 2 more weeks. Then get some sugar on them. This is all Minnesota farmland. Well, you do see more and more houses popping up. I think Josh knows where he's at now.
That's the way to go to Dealwood.
Yep. We got the county out widening the roads. That's a good thing. All right, just a quick little tour. Get out Sunday driving. Appreciate you riding along with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give me one. If you haven't subscribed yet, where you been? I've been making videos on YouTube since 2016, so I'd really, if you could subscribe and ride along with us. When you do subscribe, be sure that you click on that bell, and that'll give you updates every single time we upload a new video. So, once again, thank you for riding along, and have a great day.